Sabi ni Manny, failed state na tayo.
Failed state.
Well, let me ilatag natin. Nag-aaway ngayon ang congressman at senador. Just few hours ago, sinasabi na ni Ping Lacson, ipapatawag nila ang speaker, ipapatawag nila yung former Appropriations Committee chairman. Okay. Nagbigay ng privilege speech si Escudero, nagbigay ng speech si Marcoleta, nagbigay ng mga statement si Jigoy, si Joel, against, bakit daw, sabi ni Escudero, bakit ang mga congressmen hindi pinapatawag? Bakit hindi inimbestigahan? Bakit kami So, in other words, there is now a chaotic relationship between the House and the Senate.
Ano pa bills mga gawa nila?
So, anong bills pa? Lalo na sa budget. I don't think the budget will even be passed.
Oh,
At the rate that they're going right now, they are heads on with each other. Then the executive is being now accused. Yung budget secretary is now being accused of being the one involved in the release of unprogrammed funds. And being the alter ego, Marcos is directly responsible for the release of those.
Yes.
He can be liable under the Constitution for culpable violation of the Constitution
And for betrayal of public
and
trust.
betrayal of public trust.
Dapat